Tree of Knowledge presents how to build mental strength. Becoming mentally stronger is a process that requires consistent effort and dedication. It is not something that can be achieved overnight, but rather a journey that requires discipline and focus. In this video, we will discuss some of the must-have habits that can help you build mental strength. Firstly, practicing gratitude can be a powerful tool in building mental strength. When you consciously focus on what you are grateful for, it helps you shift your mindset from negativity to positivity. This can help you develop a more optimistic outlook on life, which is essential for mental strength. Setting boundaries is crucial in building mental strength. This means knowing your limits and being able to say no when necessary. It is important to prioritize your own well-being and not let others take advantage of you. Developing a growth mindset is essential for mental strength. This means embracing challenges and seeing them as opportunities for growth. When faced with obstacles or setbacks, a growth mindset allows you to learn from them and become a better version of yourself. Another key habit for building mental strength is to embrace failure. Failure is a natural part of life, and it's important to learn how to bounce back from it. Instead of dwelling on your mistakes, focus on what you can learn from them and how you can improve in the future. Finally, taking care of your physical health is just as important as taking care of your mental health. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep are all crucial in building mental strength. When your body is healthy, it can help you cope better with stress and adversity. It's also important to note that building mental strength is not about suppressing or ignoring your emotions. Emotions are a natural part of being human, and it's important to acknowledge and process them in a healthy way. This means allowing yourself to feel all emotions, even the uncomfortable ones, and finding healthy outlets to express them. One effective way to process emotions is through mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. These practices can help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and provide a sense of calm and clarity. It's important to remember that building mental strength is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to find what works best for you. Additionally, building mental strength is not a linear process. There may be setbacks and challenges along the way, but it's important to stay committed to the journey. One way to stay committed is to surround yourself with supportive people. Having a strong support system can provide encouragement and motivation, especially during tough times. It's also important to remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. If you are struggling with mental health, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. It's also important to remember that building mental strength is not a competition. It's easy to compare yourself to others and feel like you're not doing enough, but everyone's journey is unique. Focus on your own progress and growth, and celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Ultimately, building mental strength is a lifelong journey. It requires consistent effort and dedication, but the benefits are worth it. By implementing these habits and finding what works best for you, you can become mentally stronger and better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Remember, building mental strength is not about striving for perfection or being immune to challenges. It's about cultivating resilience and the ability to bounce back from setbacks. It's also important to recognize that mental health is just as important as physical health, and seeking help when needed is a sign of strength, not weakness. Overall, building mental strength is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. By practicing these habits and making mental health a priority, you can become stronger, happier, and more resilient in the face of life's challenges. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.